Let's understand from Dr. C.K. Narayan that what he has to throw light on in metal space. Dr. Narayan, over to you.
Good morning, everybody. Yes, I think in this during this slightly tumultuous times when people are wondering which is the sector to really patronize, and values are all over the place. I think look at the metal index will give us some very definite signs of comfort. As you can see on the chart, the metal index has been a significant outperformer vis-a-vis the Sensex or the Nifty. You can see that there's a 96.5% return if you take 1 year to date kind of returns, which is a tremendous outperformance. So clearly metals has been the space where the market has concentrated. Now what is more interesting is if we look at the main stocks which make up the metal space, the metal index. Now looking at only the leaders from the space, I have actually arranged it in terms of 1 year change and let's say the 6 monthly change. We can see that there has been tremendous increase in the individual stocks which have far eclipsed or outdone what the metal index as a whole has done. For example, VEDL has done something like 253% compared to 96% gains in the metals index. Now the lowest is about Hindustan Zinc at about 110%. Now come to the 6 monthly change column, and there is something interesting which emerges. Tata Steel, which was at about 172%, has still given about 52.5% vis-a-vis 6 monthly return compared to the rest which have all fallen off a little. So what this means is that Tata Steel is the stock which has managed to hold on to its substantial gains. 172 versus index returns of about 96%, still holds on to the gains. So this is a clear indication of where the market's interests lie as far as individual stocks within the space are concerned. If you look at the chart of Tata Steel which I have here on the screen, you can see that there's a beautiful uptrend which is going on, which is completely undisturbed by any kind of market gyrations, any kind of reaction. All the reactions have been quite limited and have been well captured by supporting moving averages. And as on date also, it looks really spiffy. So the conclusion from this whole thing is that metals is one of the space to be in this market still, and it can still outperform the index, and within that space I think the leaders are doing well, but Tata Steel among them still remains the best.
Okay.